How to decorate your boring bedroom into paradise. Imagine stepping into your bedroom and feeling instantly relaxed, inspired, and at peace. If your current space feels dull and uninspiring, it's time for a change. Let's turn your boring bedroom into a beautiful paradise that reflects your personality and promotes tranquility. Color sets the mood in any space. Opt for soothing tones like soft blues, warm neutrals, or pastel greens to create a calm, inviting atmosphere. If you prefer bold vibes, rich jewel tones can make a dramatic statement. Your chosen palette is the foundation for your dream bedroom. Rearranging furniture can instantly breathe life into your room. Position your bed as the focal point and ensure pathways are clear for a free flow of energy. Add a cozy chair by the window or create a bedside nook with functional yet beautiful pieces that scream comfort. Texture is key when it comes to coziness. Start with soft bedding, plush throws, and layered rugs to give your room depth and dimension. Accent your bed with cushions in varying sizes and fabrics. These simple touches make your space warm, inviting, and paradise-worthy. Lighting can transform a bedroom from plain to magical. Replace harsh overhead lights with warm ambient lighting like table lamps, string lights, or dimmers. Consider adding candles or a statement chandelier for an elegant touch. Lighting is the soul of your new sanctuary. Your bedroom should reflect your story. Decorate with framed photos, books, plants, or art that inspires you. A gallery wall or a few sentimental objects can turn a generic space into your personal oasis. Balance is key. Let your personality shine without cluttering the space. Designate areas in your room for different activities. Add a cozy corner for reading or a small desk for journaling by the window. These intentional zones invite relaxation and productivity, making your bedroom more functional while keeping it a paradise. Your dream bedroom isn't as far away as it seems. So start today, choose a color, rearrange your furniture, or add a textured throw to your bed. Small steps lead to big changes. Watch your transformation unfold and turn your bedroom into the retreat you deserve.